Hello guys, welcome back with me Cho 2025. Today we're going to talk about how to fasten the speed of Flux using 8-step LoRA Flux from ByteDance. How to use Flux in Comfy and other fast LoRA RAM Flux model. You could refer to the link on video description, including the link to original Flux workflow and the model location. Now to get started, we need to download the LoRA model first. Go the model link in Hugging Face, go to Files and Version and download the HyperFlux DEV 8-steps LoRA, safe tensors. Put the file in your LoRA folder. The default is ComfyUI/models/LoRA. While we wait, open your Flux workflow. To use LoRA, we need Power LoRA Loader from the RG3 ComfyUI nodes. Just search and install it using Manager. After that, put Power LoRA Loader node and click Add LoRA. Select the HyperFlux 8-step LoRA. Connect the input model from Load Model node and input clip from Dual Clip Loader node. Connect the Power LoRA Loader clip output to the text prompt nodes and connect the model into the Model Sampling Flux node. Now let's test it. We need to have 8-step and SCUM uniform scheduler. For now, let's use 100% LoRA power. Using full power or 1 make the result full of noise. If we read the Hugging Face information, the suggested value is 0.125 scale. So let's edit the LoRA strength into 0 at 125. Now we test again and the result is pretty good. If we remove the LoRA and use normal scheduler and 20-step, the result is good too and different from our generation. It doesn't mean the LoRA result is bad, it's just different. So with the same prompt and seed, you will generate a different image with this LoRA. That's something that you need to know. The difference in generation time is quite big. With no LoRA, 20-step generate in 45.57 seconds, while with 8-step LoRA it generate 45.57 seconds. Using normal scheduler also still produce the similar result, but with longer process time. Here a list of comparison of time and result of the LoRA. As you can see, 8-step LoRA is making good result with less time. So I don't think there is nothing stop you from using them. Also, I try to increase the LoRA strength, but the result is really bad. Here is the result every 0.125 increase. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe!